So, you have been wondering what are those weird numbers and letters actually mean on your Intel processors? Like i9-12900K, are those some kind of nuclear code? Well, you came to the right place. Welcome to Techplained. Hello everyone, and today I will talk about one of the most important knowledge about Intel processors, the naming scheme. In this video, you'll learn all about Intel's naming system, from the Core I branding, the numbers, and the letters. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, now for Intel processors, they got a couple of brands such as Celeron, Pentium, Core, and Xeon. However, for today, we're gonna talk about the Core series only. So make sure to subscribe if you want to know more about the others. Anyway, the Core series is usually targeted for your average consumer with a decent budget and a relatively normal workload. Now, for the Core series, it consists of 4 tiers: the i3, i5, i7, and lastly i9. And as you guessed it, the higher the number, the better it is. Kinda. Okay, let's start with the lowest, i3, which this class of processors are pretty basic, as it is used for light workload such as web browsing, some light computing, and maybe gaming. But don't expect it to be a powerhouse, and that's where the i5 comes in, as it is a more powerful chip capable to do some like video or photo editing, some gaming, decent multitasking, and more. But if you want to get even more serious, you can grab yourself an i7 or even the i9, as it is very powerful, rich of features, and you can pretty much do anything you want. Alright, now I know what are the Core I means, but what's this? Well, it's pretty simple. The higher the number, the higher generation or class it is. So let's try an example of the Intel Core i3-12100. Now we know it's an i3 model, and those first 2 numbers after that are telling you its generation. So from that, you know it's a 12th gen chip, and usually the last 3 numbers at the end tells you its class. And for this one, 100 is the most basic. Now how about this? Well, it seems like it's an 8th gen i7, and the 700 is telling you it's the higher end model. But what about the K at the end? Well, some CPUs have letters at the end of their name, and it's not for decoration. For example, an F means that the chip does not have an integrated GPU, while a K, like that one, means that the chip is overclockable. And you might even see an X or XE, which means that it's extreme, usually for PC enthusiasts. For mobile, U and Y means that it's low powered for efficiency, and H means it's high performance. So what do you think about this naming scheme? Is it easy to understand? Let me know in the comments. Okay, that's all the knowledge for today. I hope this video can help you understand more about Intel's naming system for their CPUs. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button. Don't forget to come back next week for more knowledge about tech, and subscribe so you won't miss it. Cool, peace out.